Kitchen and I'm fine. How are you all? Today I am going to teach you how to make an easy simple dessert. Everyone likes it and love it. That is the custard and another one is the jelly. First we are going to make the custard. So needed ingredients I will say. Before that you have to wash your hands with soap. I have washed my hands with soap and keep a towel like this to wipe your hands. Come on guys, I will say the ingredients. Custard powder, 250 ml of milk, sugar, custard powder and a bowl for mixing the custard powder. Come on guys, let's make the custard powder. First, take 250 ml of milk and pour it in a bowl fully. I have poured the custard milk. Now I am taking custard powder and put it in a bowl. Little more we should add. We added the custard. Now I have added 15 grams of custard powder. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. 1. Now mix it well. It should not be sticky inside because then we will not get a good consistency of the custard powder. Now I am mixing this. Now it has mixed well. Now keep aside. Now on the stove and keep it on medium flame. Now the milk should boil. Then we can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Wait for a few minutes, it will boil. We have kept in medium flame. If we kept in low flame, it will take more time to boil. So I kept extra 2 flame. Let it boil. We can keep more also flame. Now it started boiling, so it's time to off the switch and put 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have put the sugar and mix it. Now on the stove. Now mix it well till the sugar dissolves in the milk. Now the milk started boiling and the sugar has also dissolved. Now it's time to off the stove. Now it's time to add the custard milk. Just mix it because if the custard powder is not mixed, now it will be mixed. Now it has been mixed. Now we will add in the milk. Add little and mix it. We have to mix it properly. Then only we can get the consistency of the custard powder. Now mix it well. Now switch on the stove and stir it for 1 minute. Now the milk has gotten good consistency. Now it's ready. Now off the stove. Now keep it aside. I am using Kidiki for taking this. I have taken it and keep it here. Now it should get in room temperature. Then we can keep in the refrigerator for getting freezed. No need to keep in the freezer. Keep in only refrigerator. Now it should set for few minutes. Then it will come in room temperature. Next, in the meanwhile, we can make jelly first. No need to on the stove. Take jelly powder, keep here. Take this bowl and pour this full glass of water. Now I added 250 ml of water. Now take the mixture. There are two mixtures in this box. We are going to add these two. Now I added these two mixtures. Now just lightly mix it. Mix it well. I have mixed it well. Now I am going to take 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. Let the mixture dissolve completely. Mix it till the mixture dissolves. Now the mixture dissolved completely. See. Keep it aside. Now it's time to on the stove. Keep it in medium flame till the water boils. Now the water started boiling. See, the small bubbles are there in this side. When the water started boiling, we must off the stove. See now the water started nicely boiling. Now is the time to off the stove. I have off the stove. I am using Kidiki again to pour the hot water in the jelly. See, mix it. Fully pour it. Now keep it aside. Now take the Kidiki and mix this jelly well. We should mix it for a few minutes. Then we can keep it in the room temperature. Now leave it in room temperature and transfer in another bowl and keep in refrigerator for 45 minutes. Now our custard and jelly are ready to serve. See how nicely it has been formed. This is the homemade condensed milk. In shop, which we call it as Milk Maid. I am going to add this in the dessert to make the dish more and more delicious. Now I am going to serve this. First take a serving bowl. First I am going to add the custard. Little more I am adding. Now Now I added this. Now it's time to add the jelly. Now I added the jelly and our final ingredient, our Milkmaid, homemade condensed milk. Now I am added this homemade condensed milk. I am adding little more. Tada! Our dish is ready. Now I am gonna taste and see this. Wow! Very delicious. I am trying in my home. You try it in your home. Like it, share it, and please subscribe it. Please comment it and click the bell icon to see next episodes. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next episode.